What's up guys, this is Mac Animation. Today I will show you how to make like this. This fine. You can add more details here. You can add with this on mouse point. We can add detail here. We can adjust this thing. It's fine. The benefit of symmetry is this: when we apply any material on single thing, you can see everything has same color. So it's the benefit of symmetry. It's fine. Now hit OK. Oh yeah, you have to adjust our second group. Make it and open it, and we can change the material of this. Okay, now go to your process folder and go to your group. It's okay. It's okay. Now make it full for a little bit clear view. You can see the hair depth, everything we have adjusted. It's awesome. Okay, now right click and take light. Light should be white for now. Okay, hit it, and it's now you can see to light, so you can adjust it position by adjusting here. Fine. For now, make it closer. Okay, and here for more accurate from one worry, I'm cleaning my disk cache. Okay, you can adjust it more by lighting. Take new light, make it parallel, and go for warm, little bit warm. So should be here. Hit OK, and adjust it by its position. Go to top view for adjusting light for more accurate, and select the light more accurate for this place. Change it to okay. Go to your active camera, make it 100%. Now matrix position. You can see here light, and we can use keyframes for this positioning, and on start on positioning we're using keyframe in 4 seconds or 3 seconds. Light is moving like you see on backward. It's fine. You can see the light is a little bit moving in this side. Now we can adjust it more by select this light and duplicate it and go for position, and on its first, so I hide this light, and position it. It's fine. Now, for now, I'm creating this keyframe. Take new parallel light, take in light and make it parallel, make it a little more dark. Okay, and adjust it by go to the top view. Go to the camera, make it 100%. So I go for its position. You can see we will make keyframe here, and this keyframe on your right side, light will move. You have to move the light. Okay. It's fine. Switch this light out too. So we'll have more accurate close these lights. Okay. For now, it's fine. Make it full so we can see depth here. Now right click, take new adjustment layer and make curves from this layer for more correct. Yes, we can go to element and we can change our environment. Go to our environment. We're using this for now. With this material, we will make it more dark. Go to your scene setup and select it. Okay. Go to your Composit tool. Go for metal. It's okay. It's little bit fine. You can make it more dark. New adjustment layer and go for So just go for again element here and change the color of this material here. Now go to your element layer and make movement of group 3 of this thing. Okay, and no, so make it for quarter. Yes, and come over here and make the keyframe for here and go for almost 5 seconds and click on this stopwatch for keyframes in here. Again, you select it here, make your cursor here and hit on stopwatch and go for 5 seconds. Okay. Now we need its a rotation, so go for here and go to auxiliary channel and go to channel 1 and we'll rotate on go to this rotation and we'll rotate it, put keyframe on here and go for this keyframe for 5 seconds. So here go for full. Okay, now we have this rotation and this position of group 3. Now we will make the camera positions for rendering purpose. So but it's a different angles we will use. So for this, go to your project window and this is our main comp. Select it and one thing more, go to your element layer, okay, and go to scene setup and go for group 3 and select it and come over here and use reflection mode. It's a mirror surface, okay, and render it, okay, and hit okay. So we will have reflection of this our object on this surface, so that's why we use this reflection. You can use it like go open for it, go for transform and select all of these options and enable this field of depth. Again, select them all, hold shift and select them too and hit on stopwatch. You can see we have now, because of field of depth, it's blur, So we will reduce it, our focus distance, okay, and we will reduce to maximum 2. So you can see that we have now clear. You can more clear it, but it's fine. Here it's fine. Now go for here. And then focus distance, okay. And here. Now go to your position again on element for making it more accurate and adjusting position and on your next keyframe. Okay, and then play it and see how it's look like. It's a little bit slow for now, but when it's done, you can see the accurate view, and this is our accurate view. We can more adjust it by go to your element, scene setup, okay, and go for group folder 1, okay. We have to adjust this grill. Okay. Then go for your element layer and duplicate it and put it on above of all your layers, so we can more accurate view. Now you can see that go to your scene setup first, and then delete the group 1 and delete the group 2, and okay. So the adjustment layer will not affect on this layer, it will affect on only this layer. We can take one more adjustment layer. So overall for overall compatibility, so we can take the gain curves and can adjust it more accurate, so it's more realistic. You can see here depth, the reflection, it's more accurate that way that we want. that we it's more accurate that we want. And now it's fine. Okay, so you can see that we use some parallel lights, we duplicate our element layer, and we use three adjustment layers and three with curves effect. Okay, so now it's fine. Now we go for our angles. It's our accurate what I need. Okay, now go to for your project window, and scene is ready. So now go for angles. Now duplicate our main comp. Uh, no, here, here, Control D, duplicate our main comp, and rename it and make it top angle. Okay, now go for again main comp and duplicate it and rename it with detail angle. Okay, now go again for main comp and duplicate it and rename it. It's side angle. You can take more angles, but for now we have actually four angles. Our main comp is front angle. Okay, and our detail angle, this detail we will see detail here, and our side angle we will see these sides, and top angle we will see on top from this detail and this overall our functioning. Okay, go for now our top angle. No, first we go over detail angle. Open it, and we have this layer, and go for camera, and all of the camera keyframes, delete all your camera keyframes. Okay, for adjusting where you want to put your, I think it's fine here, our angle. Just here. Okay, now select all your keyframes and delete them. Okay, now we don't have any keyframe here. Okay, now go for camera and take top angle. For top angle, we can go to C, press C, and we have this tool. You can rotate it, rotate your angle. Okay, more. One thing, it's almost we are on top, but one thing I want to tell you that go for camera option and switch the off the field of depth and make it for now quarter. Then you can work easily as you want. So you can adjust your angle now wherever you need. Now adjusting camera for top angle. select them all and hit on stopwatch for keyframes and go for here. Okay. So it's we got from our top angle, and it's fine. You can see the light that we have moved from here, so it's moving from front to back, and you can see it's fine. You can see the reflection here, so you can make it more realistic. Go for side angle, open it. Okay, here. Now we just over angle. Now select them all and hit on stopwatch and go for 3 seconds. Now see what we will get. For go to depth of field, switch it on, and go to full, and go to your element and effect control, go to your render settings and ambient inclusion, enable ambient inclusion. Okay, you can see more detail added after you enable the EQ, ambient occlusion AO. Okay, now and go for this element layer 2 and render settings and switch it on to. Now you can take all your angles like this and then render them all in final render comp. Go to your element layer and then go to your output and render settings and find out ambient occlusion for more realistic view, and enable the ambient occlusion and then go for here fog and enable it, and then you can change more settings here for more realistic view. And in output settings you can change here your refraction, and you can change the reflectivity, and you can even change ambient lighting for more realistic view. Stay tuned, this is Mak Animation.